Hi everybody, JT here. This video will be short because I want to show a guy at my work that how to turn on off machine and warm up the machine, and then he will run my program. All he need to know now is just how to turn on, how to turn off, and warm up the machine. So let's get to it. Because it's on now, so I will show him how to turn it off. Off is easy, right? So you just hit that button and then it's, the whole machine will be off. All right, so the whole machine is shutting down and the power should be out pretty soon. So that's how you turn off the machine. It take a little bit though, so hang on with me here. I think this video is about 7 minutes or so. It's still running Windows 7, huh? Yeah, I think the Okuma control is stick with this. I don't know in the future, but I think for now is the 7 is Windows 7 is like the stable one. Alright, so now how you turn it on, you hit that white top button there and the machine will be turned on or the light will lit up, and then this one it take a few minutes too, so hang on with me here. Still starting, so it will take, I hope it take faster than this. Yes, so you can see the table A and C it down there. Let's say whatever you do before you turn off, and if it's not in that state all the way down, I think you just put A0 and a C0, and then everything will be back down, and then that's where you should shut it out and turn off when it's like that. You don't want a access on an angle or something like that. Just the thought that I'll put it out there so you know. Okay, hang on with me here, still starting up. All right, finally it loading up. It loading Okuma software up, so almost there, guys. All right. So this machine is a Okuma MV460 5-axis machine, right? Okay, so you can see there when everything up, it will show like that on the screen, right? So you close the door, and since that two in there is long, I want to pull. Okay, as you can see, I hit the go to MDI tab, because that's where you want. I want to pull a tool out. Hit reset couple times, so it, everything is reset, and as you can see in there where the input is, that's where I want to pull a tool out to warm up, and the tool is in the spindle there is kind of long, so when you warm up a machine, you don't want to use a long tool, long holder, or a face mill to warm up. Try to find something short, small, so when you warm up it, because it's gonna go to like high RPM, so it just for me it's just safer, and it's a good practice that you something like that. And yeah, you don't want to use face mill to warm up at all. So the next one is, let's see here. All right, you can see there I input in G116217. That's the tool I usually use it for warm up program, right? So when you enter it in here and then you hit the input or the enter key, it will come down here. You can take a look here. Hmm? See, after you hit the input or the enter, that will come down there, and then you do cycle start, and then it will change the tool. It doesn't change because I think the door is alarm out. So let's take a look here. Yeah, the door, since it's not closed completely, right? So it alarm out, just hit reset, and then you have to do it again. G116. Just a note here, G116 is you when I want to pull a tool out, when there, if there is a tool in the queue that need to be replaced. So when the G116 being due, and then it will cancel everything and just pull the 217 out. That's why I use G116 and I don't use, let's say, 217 M6. That's why, just for you to know. Okay, enter, and I have to cycle start, and I have to hold the door handle a little bit. So it change the tool, and you can see it change the tool out to that tool, right? Okay, go back to the control on that. I put the M210. Okay, so see that M210 is when with this machine, when you do M210, it call out the warm up program. That's basically it. So hit enter, and then cycle start, right? That enter our input, and then you hit cycle start down here, and that's where the warm-up program is gonna kick in. I think this program is only run 10k RPM for warm-up. All right, that's it. So hopefully, if you don't know, you can refer this video to turn on and off the machine and warm up the machine before you run somebody program. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.